Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how to use Tun VPN and to access internet wherever you are. So first of all, we open Tun VPN. Here we've got the list of servers that are available. They are both free and Pro, which are the paid version of the servers. So we've got different number of servers, of which there is Brazil, United States, UK, Canada, Italy, and the likes, France, Japan. Yeah, so you can browse through, you can choose which one serves you better. Of course, if you want to use a free version, you just have to select the free one. So on this other column, we've got the contact us, feedback, subscription info, privacy policy, and the terms and conditions. Just in case you want to contact customer service, that's where to go. So when we go back to the main menu, after choosing the correct server, or the server that's closer to you, or the server that is more optimized for you, the second thing is just press connect, and then you wait less than 1 minute, it's connected. And then from there, you're able to test the internet. As you can see, my YouTube is quite fast. At first it wasn't connected, but now it's quite fast.
Thank you for sending me money through Remitly, beta. It went straight into my account. How easy was that?
For me, it's just working properly, and I've been using it for a few months now.
Hi there, I'm Sam Tucker from Apple, and our customers sometimes wonder how we calculate the prices for our products, such as, why do our computer wheels
So on to our second VPN. Of course, this is the WireTune VPN. It's a free VPN of which it provides internet connectivity, plus it's got free servers. So let's open it. So on this section, we've got a list of servers. Of course, here you just choose the server. Like for me, I always go with German server 2. Although it's got few servers, never choose any optimized server because it's bugged out. So we've got a tab. So on this tab, we're able to see we've got home, facts, logs, statistics, rate us, tell a friend, community. So after choosing the correct server, now press connect. When you press connect, you just wait for 15 seconds or less, and it's connected. Of course, you can go and check the statistics, then you're able to see the reflection of your internet connectivity. Then when you go back to home, you can actually add time. So you press on add time, then watch the ad, which is less than 20 seconds, sometimes more than that. But then they reward you with time that you are going to use in prolonging your internet connectivity. So from there, you are able to see that we now have 48 seconds. So if you want to add more time, you press on add time, then you watch another ad. Of course, as we are able to see, the internet connectivity is still there. So when you go back home, we test the internet, you open YouTube. Of course, you just wait a few seconds, then there is our internet. We're able to watch everything that we want to watch.
Hier ist ein iPhone 14 von Backmarket drin und wir packen das jetzt gemeinsam aus. Bei Backmarket gibt es erneuerte Technik wie zum Beispiel Smartphones, Laptops.
What's that? People say the new Intel chips are unstable. Well, I could have told you that. Their CEO is unstable. I mean, he fell over right in front of everyone. Oh, hi there. I'm Sam Tucker.
Our number one on topmost VPN, this is called the V2Box. Of course, this one you have to set up the VMS V2 settings. Let's open the app. So on this section we've got the home, which is showing us the rates, and we've got the config. We'll put our configurations and the settings. So these are the settings, nothing too crazy, nothing too special. Of course there are a few adjustments that you can make, but I think everything's just straightforward. So now let's add our configurations. Of course we'll open our notes where we've made the V2 VPN settings. We'll just copy. Of course we open the app again. I'll press on the plus signs, then we import the URI from clipboard. Of course we'll allow paste, and then we're able to see our settings there. So now just follow the video on how to set it up. It's just very easy. So at this point we are done with the setup. So now we'll just slide it to connect. So after we're done connecting, we're able to see the ad. So we'll just minimize the app. Then we go to YouTube to test our internet connectivity. As you can see, it's very fast. Just open YouTube, and there it's working. So when you try to browse through, all the videos are just playing really fast. So guys, that's it. Please like and subscribe, and comment where you're having challenges or questions. Just comment on the video. Next time.